We all make assumptions. I try not to assume a particular level of knowledge on this channel, and seek to fill in the gaps in people's knowledge as best I can, because that's what I'm here for, to teach and empower people. It occurred to me during the week that I've been asking people to subscribe to this YouTube channel without telling anyone how or why they might want to do it. So if you're wondering, this episode's for you. So, what is a YouTube subscription? Subscribing to a channel simply means that you follow it. There is no cost involved. It is pretty much the same as liking a Facebook page. It means that you will see videos from that channel in your subscription tab on your YouTube homepage. Firstly, you'll need a few things. A web browser. I prefer Chrome, and have an episode all about it linked up here. Secondly, you'll need a Google account. There is another episode about that linked above now. Once you're logged into your Google account, to subscribe to a YouTube channel, just go to any video on the channel and press the red button that says subscribe. The next step is the little bell icon beside the subscribe button. If you click that, you will get a notification every time the channel uploads a new video. In my case, that will likely be 1 to 2 times a week, which shouldn't be too much of an inconvenience. Some channels may upload daily, so be aware of who you're getting notifications for. It's also worth noting that there is an option to like or dislike individual videos on YouTube, using the thumbs up and thumbs down under each video. This gives the creator some feedback on what you think of individual videos. For new YouTubers, it is a great source of encouragement, as is subscribing. Knowing that people want to see your content and be notified when new content is available is extremely heartwarming. Also heartwarming is some real feedback from viewers via the comments. I would love to have some comments or questions to read. Be sure I will read every single one of them and respond to as many as possible. To leave a comment, simply scroll down the page to the bit that says Comments, and there will be a line that says Add a public comment. Click here and start typing. When you have finished, click the comment button at the right and you are done. Thank you so much for commenting, and thank you for watching. The Tech Doctor Network is here to help you feel comfortable with your computer. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can make the best use of your technology. We release new videos every weekend, and now that you know what to do, you can subscribe or leave a comment below. Thank you so much.